Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Monday.com task visibility problems, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Monday.com and log into your account. Navigate to the board where you are experiencing task visibility issues. Check if the tasks are filtered out due to any active filters. Click on the filter icon in the board view. Review the current filters applied and remove any unnecessary ones. Look for the group by settings. Ensure tasks are organized in a way that allows for easy visibility. If you are using different views, switch to the main table view to check for missing tasks. Verify the task status to ensure they are not marked as archived. Expand any collapsed groups to reveal hidden tasks. Check the permissions settings for the board. Make sure you have access to all tasks by reviewing the sharing settings. Inspect the tasks assigned users and due dates to confirm they are allocated correctly. Use the search bar to quickly locate specific tasks that may be hard to find. Adjust your workspace view settings to include all relevant tasks. Refresh the page to ensure that you are viewing the most current data. Consider customizing your board's columns to add important visibility features. Review any automations that might hide tasks based on conditions. If issues persist, consult the Monday.com Help Center for additional troubleshooting tips. Reach out to support if you encounter technical glitches beyond your control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.